are going to start a new chapter, geometry. Okay. Father of geometry. Euclid is known as father of geometry. Why? What is the reason? His contribution is more about the topic geometry. In earlier time, it is used to measure the earth. Actually, geo means earth, metry means measurement. So it deals about measurement of earth. Okay, that's why they coined as geometry. Now it is known as geometry. Okay, father of geometry is Euclid. It is one of the important 1 mark question. So you must know this. Father of geometry is Euclid. Why do we learn this topic geometry? Actually, there are two types of geometry: practical geometry and theoretical geometry. In this session, we are going to know about the theoretical geometry. It is used to construct mathematical shapes, and it is used to find and identify the properties of the mathematical shapes like square, circle, rectangle, whatever it is. Okay, so it is used to learn the properties of the mathematical shapes. That's why we are going to learn the topic theoretical geometry. Okay, in previous class, means 9th standard, you have learned some basics about geometry. So now the continuation, the most important thing is similar triangle. In 10th standard, we are going to learn the new and most important topic is similar concepts. Okay, then some important theorems like basic proportionality theorem, angle bisector theorem, Pythagoras theorem, we are going to prove this theorem by using the concept of similarity. Similarity concept. Okay, so first we are going to start from similar, which means similarity. So before going to learn the similar concept, we must know about congruence. What is mean by congruence? Congruence of shapes. Okay, so if it is called congruence, means the two objects have same size and same shape. Same size and the same shape. If you take a 10 rupee note, okay, currency, they should be same size as well as same shape. It is in rectangle shape, you know very well, as well as the size is also same. So we can say the two notes are congruency. Understood? So here, similar. What is mean by similar? The two objects must be same shape but not necessary to be same size. Understood? So similar means same shape but not necessary to be same size. You can say the example, leaves in a tree. They are in same shape but not necessary to be same size, you know. And photocopies like stamp size, card size, then it will be increased. But the ratios must be same. What is meant by ratios? We will see one by one. So similar, it means same shape, not necessary to be same size. Understood? If it is same size means no problem. It is also, we can say that is similar. For example, circles. I took two circles. They are in same shape, but the radius are different. It is 2 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. Can we say the two circles are congruent? No, we cannot say that. They are not congruent, but they are similar. Okay. Square. The size of the square is, this is 2 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. They are similar, but they are not congruents, because the congruence definition is same size and the same shape. I hope you understand this concept, the difference between congruence and the similar. Okay, if you know this two means, we can move to the next one. Similar triangles. Now I am going to take two triangles. Namely A, B, C and D, E, F. Name of the triangle ABC and the name of the triangle DEF. If you say the two triangles are similar, okay, so if the two triangles are similar, we can use a symbol like this. It is used to denote similar. Okay, so ABC similar to DEF when the corresponding angles must be equal. Corresponding angle. How can we find that? This angle A is corresponds to this angle D. Okay. Here angle A, it is corresponding to angle D, and angle B corresponds to angle B, as well as angle C corresponds to angle F. Okay, the first condition for similar triangle. If two triangles similar means corresponding angles must be equal. Okay, if it is 40 degree, it should be 40. It is 60 means it is also 60. So remaining 60 plus 40, 100, so it should be 80. So angle F equal to 80 means angle C is also 80. Then we can say the two triangles are similar. This is first one. The second one, the corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. The term proportional, what it means? Proportional means same ratio. What is meant by ratio? As we discussed, when we compare two quantities, with the same unit, two quantities with the same unit, that is called a ratio. So proportional means the same ratio. Okay, so ratio example A by B. A is to B. It can be written as A is to B. It is ratio form. What is it? It is fraction form. Fraction form, ratio form. You must know this because these are very important. So proportional means same ratio. Okay. So now I am going to show you the corresponding sides. This AB corresponds to this DE. So AB by DE. This is the ratio. This is the ratio of the first side. Here AB corresponds to DE. So I have to write AB by DE, which is equal to the second one BC corresponds to EF. So BC by EF, which is equal to third one AC corresponds to DF. AC corresponds to DF. What is it? If AB by DE, if it result is 1 by 2 means the value of BC by EF, AC by DF is must be 1 by 2. That is the meaning. Okay. So if the corresponding sides are proportional, we can say the two triangles are similar. So there are two conditions. Conditions for similarity or similar triangles. Conditions for similar triangles. First one, corresponding angles must be equal. Second one, the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. So next, so ABC corresponding to DEF. Triangle ABC corresponds to, similar to triangle DEF. Listen, here we represent the vertices by capital letters A, B, C. Here D, E, F. I told you clearly this A corresponds to D, B corresponds to E, C corresponds to F. If I take a triangle BCA, similar to triangle, the second one should write like EFD. Because B corresponds to E. Here I have written the first vertex B here. So it corresponds, first letter is E. So it should be right like this. So triangle BCA is similar to triangle EFD, not triangle DEF. Okay. The third one, triangle CAB, similar to, I hope you know this, triangle FDE. These are very important. If you write the vertex A here means the next triangle corresponding vertex should be right at the position. For example, A means here D, B means E and C means F according to the triangle. Here I have taken ABC and DEF. If I take ABC and PQR means A corresponds to P and B corresponds to Q and C corresponds to R, like this. Okay. Next, criteria of similarity. Criteria of similarity. It is used to prove the two triangles, whether the two triangles are similar or not similar. Okay. So first one, angle similarity criteria. Angle similarity criteria. A angle. Okay. So if ABC, P, Q, R. You know very well. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. This is 1. This is also 1. This is 2. This is 2. So it should be 3. It's also 3. So what is the definition of angle similarity criteria? criteria. If two angles of one triangle, is equal to, respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle. So first triangle ABC, I have taken the first two angles A and B. Okay, the angle A is 1, angle B is 2. Is respectively equal to the two angles of another triangle. Here angle B equal to 1, angle Q equal to 2. Okay. Then the two triangles are similar. Angle. The third angle must be equal. If two angles are equal, means third one must be equal. How, sir? If angle A equal to 1, here the corresponding angle P is also 1. This one, angle B equal to 2, here angle Q is equal to 2. The third one must be equal, means if you take angle A is 40 degree and angle B is 50 degree. Okay, so P equal to 40, Q is also 50. So 40 plus 50 equal to 90. So it should be 90. So here also 40 plus 50, 90. The remaining one, that should be 90. How do we calculate? 180 minus that. Because sum of the interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. According to the condition, we can find the rest of the angle value. So if it is if the sum of first two angle is equal to 90, means third one must be 90. Here also the first two angle sum is equal to 90, the third one must be 90. So if two angles are equal, third one must be equal. Okay, that is angle similarity criteria. So if two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, the third angle must be equal. This is angle similarity criteria. The second one, side angle side. If one angle of the triangle is respectively equal to the another triangle, if the sides containing the angle, for example, the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here angle A is equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle B is equal to 1. Whatever it is. If it is 30 degree, it is also 30 degree. The angle contains a side. Here AB. Okay. Then here PQ. Here AC. Here PR. The sides are proportional. The sides are proportional. It means corresponding sides are proportional. You know very well this AB corresponds to this PQ as well as this AC corresponds to PR. Okay. If it satisfies this condition, we can say that two triangles ABC and PQR are similar. This is called the side angle side similarity criteria. If one angle A equal to angle B, and the angle actually contains two sides. Between two sides AB and AC, here PQ and PR. The sides, corresponding sides are proportional. How can we write? AB by here PQ. Next one, AC by PR. AC by PR. So angle A equal to angle P equal to 1. Then AB by PQ equal to AC by PR means we can say the two triangles are similar. The third one, side. ABC, PQ or AB by PQ equal to BC by QR equal to AC by PR. What are they? Corresponding sides proportional. AB corresponds to PQ and BC corresponds to QR and AC corresponds to PR. Okay, so two triangles, their sides are in proportional. Their sides are in proportional means we can say the two triangles are similar. So ABC similar to PQR. This is the third property, that is called side. Yes, similarity criteria. If it is 1 you take this is 2 means, so first one 1 by 2. Actually AP by PQ equal to 1 by 2. If you take this is 2, this QR length is 4, so we can write 2 by 4. The third one AC equal to 3, this one 6, we can write it as 3 by 6. If you simplify this, you will get 1 by 2. If you simplify this, you will get 1 by 2. So the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, which means proportional. So the two triangles are similar. This is the concept. So we have got the 3 similarity criterions. First one A. If two angles are equal, third one must be equal. So angle criteria, we can say that. The second one, side, angle, side. The third one, side. These three. Okay. So we can use these three. Say the two triangles are similar or not similar. So in this video we have learned about geometry, the representation and usage of this chapter, geometry, and father of geometry. Father of geometry is Euclid. Okay, and then similar, the difference between similar and congruency. After that, similar triangles. So three conditions. For example, these three criteria we have learned. So next class we are going to solve the problem related to this topic as well as some important results that should be used to solve the problem. So we'll see next class. Learn this chapter properly. If you know this, you can solve the problem. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve the problem.